What's up? It's Kainu back here again for another video. Today I'm going to show you to check your system specifications on Windows 11. Well, let's get into it. All right, so here we are over on the Windows 11 desktop. So what you're going to do is come down to the bottom and you see the Windows 11 logo right there. You're going to right click on it and you're going to go to System. Once you click on System, sometimes it takes you to the About page right away, but sometimes it doesn't. It takes you to the main system page. So what you're gonna do is scroll down to the bottom. You're gonna see About. It's gonna say About, Device Specifications, Rename PC, and Windows Specifications. You're gonna go ahead and click on that, and that's gonna take you to the About page for your computer on Windows 11. You can see my processor, my RAM, my device ID, my product ID. You can also see that I have Windows 11 installed. And then something that you might not see that's kind of hidden is it actually has your motherboard right here as well. See, I have an X570M Pro 4. But this is how to find your device specification on Windows 11. All right, boys, that wraps up this video. If you enjoyed it, drop a like down below and make sure you subscribe. And don't forget, take it easy.